So it's been a long but very fun 8 weeks working with Guz and Lumbu, but the S2000 is finally finished. And you know what? I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. For the budget that we had to work with and the time that we were given, to do that sort of a transformation has been huge. And that's one of the things that we worked on, choosing parts and colors and things like that had a massive visual impact, but everything had to work together at the same time and build one awesome custom car. I absolutely love this color. Now, when we started talking about colors, at first Guz was talking about doing it yellow. Thing is, with color changing a car, I always think you should go for something completely different, make it a one of one. If you're customizing your car, make it yours, make it personal. So we had a lot of discussion, went through a load of color chips, and I always wanted to do it in a color flip color. It is a little bit daring.
Are you ready? Yeah, what you got? Ooh, I like that. No, look at that. Yeah. Can you see? That's mad. That is proper just gold from over here. Yeah. And you come in and flip it a little bit, and then we've got like a it's copper. Coppery colour in it. Yes. Do you like that? I do like it. Yeah. It's like perfectly copper. Don't tell me that navigation. Yeah, I do. Wow. You know what I like about it as well? It feels like a little bit of a throwback to Gran Turismo, JDM. Yo, what you do with your car, does it look crazy? Yeah. Yes, it does look crazy. You wouldn't do this on a Fiesta or a Mondeo, it just looks stupid, right? It just suits this car, and I absolutely love it. Now, luckily, they didn't have the white snake skin like Lumbu wanted, which would have looked absolutely shockingly terrible. We do need to pick two, because if that's not in, although you want it, then that's not. Okay. No, I swear down, if that's not in, that's the button. I swear. Sometimes things are meant to be. That's the two choices we've got, yeah? So we better hope whoever the is over in Tipton has got the if not, it's a snakeskin S2000, baby. That's what's going on. You know what, I think it looks amazing.
Is it crocodile?
Please make sure this is in stock. Darren, make sure this is in stock. This has to be in stock. I do not want to drive around like a pimp from the 1940s, okay? Look at this.
I actually quite want to, I like that.
I want it to get out so bad.
It's been done really well by the guys at Smart Car Automotive. It just looks great. I love this color. It's got about 3 or 4 different colors in it. Shame it's a little bit cloudy today, but when the light hits it, it just glows gold. I think it suits it, absolutely awesome. So Guz wanted Loudy and Rowdy, and boy did we give it to him.
Happy? Wow. Let me tell you something. For garage day one.
So the car came with a performance exhaust to start with, but it sounded like a hairdryer really. We put this bad boy on and it looks and sounds as bad as it should do. So twin 4-inch. You know what, I think the 4-inch, they're massive. Tailpipes, it's almost straight through. It's got a small silencer in the center and 2 small ones at the back. It sounds awesome. Still retaining the cat, but we've also got a tubular stainless manifold on the front as well, which looks great when you're looking in the engine bay. But yeah, it does drone a little bit, but when your car looks like this, it shouldn't be quiet. So next up was the stereo. Now the stereo standard in this was pants. So we swapped it out. We've gotten, it's all Alpine system. They came through and this sounds awesome. So we've got twin components up front, 13 centimeters in the doors with tweeters behind the factory grills. That all got modified because the tweeters that we're using are way bigger than standard. So that all had to get modified, different mounts made. And obviously you can't see any of it, looks bog standard. In the back, this car doesn't have the stereo speakers in the back as standard, but it does have little grills for the vents. So utilize those, put some 10 centimeter Alpine speakers behind those, modify the grills. And because it's all still vented, all that sound still comes straight through into the cabin. Digital sound processor, now that is a clever piece of kit. Although it's a very small car, this small system works really, really well in it. You don't need massive speakers to fill this area with sound. Now that is all controlled by an app, so it's really, really clever just to optimize the sound. Plus also you've got your amplifier controller there, which we cleverly put in the in the sun visor there as well, so that just hides up out the way. And that's sub controller, main volume, and then you can change it as well so that you can get your music directly from your phone straight to the amp if you ever wanted to. So very clever piece of kit. But yeah, it's all Bluetooth, it's iPod connectivity, it's got everything. So next up was the roll cage and seats, because it's a small interior, we didn't have the budget and the time to do a full retrim. Plus also the standard seats, they're not comfortable, believe it or not. They're just not very nice, they're a bit of a letdown. So we needed to change it up. So we tried the Bride bucket seats, which I've got in my own car, or a very similar one. They're comfortable, but they just didn't fit. They didn't work at all.
He's not. Oh, did you hear that?
That was it.
It looks very tight. It's tight.
So we tried the carbon buckets, and you know what? They look awesome, and they are more comfortable than they look. They're very comfortable, actually. The beautiful seats, lightweight, of course. Gives you the race car feel. It matches all the rest of the carbon on the car, so it's just a perfect touch for it. Got the pads on there as well, done in the dark grey, black suede. Got the perforated leather there to match the door cards, so it all fits. Match the gear stick gaiter and the armrest there as well, so it all just flows a little bit. Next up, we've got the roll cage. Now, a lot of people wouldn't put a roll cage in there. You don't need it. It's more of a show thing than anything, but it gives you that street car feel. This was an eBay find, believe it or not. We looked at other ones that you could get, and it just removed all this plastics and it turned it into a stripped out race car, which we didn't want. So, you know what? It is more of a show cage, but it just suits the theme perfectly. Next up is the body kit. Now we're going all carbon on this, and you can't mistake or forget this massive wing on the back. Now Guz had his, I don't know, he was worried about this spoiler. We talked about having a ducktail spoiler on there as well. You can't get a carbon ducktail spoiler. Plus, with the time that we had to find everything, we just didn't have months to wait to get parts made for us. And so I convinced everybody that this one was going to work and it was going to fit. And I love it. It looks cool. Now the car has all come together and you can see everything. The full vision has come together. Really, really suits it. Also the diffuser, yeah, we had to go back to the drawing board with that one, because the first one we had just wasn't the quality that it looked like on the videos, on the photos, where we purchased it from. This one just looks cool. It's just better quality. Side skirts as well, better quality. They just look great. And that front splitter, it just looks great. It fits great. And overall, everything just works, it flows and just suits the car. So most people wouldn't put air ride on an S2000. They're more of a track car, fast street car, but we were going show car, and that is the difference. Thing is, with air ride, you know what, you can slam it when you're parked up like this, you can raise it up when you come to a speed bump, you get the best of both worlds. Plus with the carbon splitter, you're not really ripping it off the first speed bump you come to, so like I say, you got the best of both worlds on this, but it does take a lot more time to fit it and get everything set up perfectly. Plus then, you can't mistake these wheels as well. Now we went through loads of options for wheels. Obviously some of them couldn't arrive in time, we couldn't get things made for us. But we got these really nice offset on these. I had the custom offset made for us. So it sat outside the arch, it filled the arch. Plus also, they're a Bowler B9 wheel in the gunmetal grey. Plus also to cover those massive EBC brakes. We needed a very aggressive offset to push them out, and it's millimeter clearance there. Everything has come together. And the thing is, when I'm measuring the offset, it is still a little bit of guesswork, to be fair. We've got all the measuring tools, so we knew they were going to fit the car, they were going to work with the air ride, but with the brakes, it was a lot of measuring involved. Fingers crossed that they turn up and they fit perfectly, which they do. And I think they look absolutely awesome, especially with those brakes at the back as well. So yeah, wrapped in necks and tyres, perfect setup. Now, air ride always takes a while to put in. Not putting the shocks in, that was very straightforward, straight swap out on those. But finding where you're gonna run the pipes, basically, making sure everything is safe, tucked out the way, not gonna get away from heat sources, etc. Plus also where you're gonna mount everything. And this is a small car, but we've been lucky enough, we lost the spare wheel because that's where it fits normally. That's where the amp was gonna go. So then we didn't need the toolkit and the jack, which lives in that big hole there, which is the perfect size for the air tank, the compressor, and the manifold as well. So everything could just come together really, really well. If we hadn't had that space, you know what, you'd have lost half the boot, or it just wouldn't have looked as pretty. Everything's hidden there. It's worked out really nicely. Then I made these boards. There's another board that fits on top of there, so you've got all the luggage space that a standard car would have. So last up were the lights. Now, we went all out on these lights. We didn't just get off the shelf ones, which, to be fair, very expensive, and anybody can get them. If we're going custom, we want to go all out, one of one. All the lights were sent away to Custom Lights UK, took the lenses off, replaced all the insides, front and back, put them all together, and we fitted them, along with some underglow kit as well. And the thing is with these, it's all completely controllable from apps on your phone, so we can completely change the colors. If you want to, they can rotate, they can dance with your music. It's crazy what you can do with these for a little bit of fun. And that's what this is about. Plus also, they do look really cool. I think it's come together really, really well. Right, so this has been an awesome opportunity. I've loved building this car. Made two awesome friends, Guz and Lumbu. Absolutely so much fun building this car with the guys.
Just really born in it. Sorry. Is that your regular postie as well?
Yeah, it was.
Let me tell you, now he thinks you're fake taxi in the town of this place. Bro, you went. Bro, I tell you. Bro, now he thinks you're diversifying.
Yeah, man. It's the new YouTube channel though.
Tapping into a new industry. Hey man, times are hard, bro.
Gotta keep the lights on.
Cost of living, and you know what I mean?
All the film crew.
Essentially what you're saying is please don't write it off.
Reading between the lines.
Yeah, you shouldn't be saying, bro, do not write this thing off. This I can't promise. This is in the hands of the Lord.
It's been a lot of fun. It's been hard work off the camera, ordering parts, making sure everything is prepared for the filming. It's been a lot of work. It's had a few hiccups along the way. Exhaust sensors have been sent wrong, caused us loads of problems. Battery, that was gone. That's caused problems with this stereo. Little hiccups along the way that we've had to work through in minimal time as well. So it has been stressful, but it's been awesome, absolutely awesome. And to think that we created this car, which is such a change from how it looked when it came in the few days that we've had, it's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I'm so happy with how it's come along, and I think everybody is. And as much as all, Guz loves it as well. He's helped design it, he's helped build it. It's his car. Fingers crossed he'll use it for some shows next year. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys and Guz at a few car shows next year. With this one out, enjoying the sunshine. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.